Hello everybody, GL1 here. Welcome to my toy museum, and today I'm going to open the newest Shadow High doll that I got that goes to the other three that are behind it. This is REINA Glitch Crown. So there she is, and ordered this from Amazon, and looks like why would you keep it in the box after the box has been beaten up so badly? I mean, it is definitely not in any kind of collector's condition, but I don't really care anyway. So I'm going to open it up, and you know, they're on sale or on clearance on Amazon, and even at Target now they're on sale. Apparently people don't like the Shadow High dolls. They don't seem to sell. They seem to sit on the shelf a long time. I think I like the Shadow High better than the Rainbow High because they're unusual looking and they look kind of like space dolls, you know. So, or even Monster High. So they're kind of, unusual looking. They don't look like, well, they're regular people in any case. So, all right. So here she is, and I'm going to open this up. So let me get to that. All right. So she's all out of the box. So here we are, REINA over here, and she looks kind of like a vampire, right? And what I like about the Rainbow High dolls, which are, or Shadow High in this case, Rainbow High, Shadow High, LOL dolls, all made by the same company, Bratz as well. The glass eyes, really nice. The real, the real fake eyelashes, all right. I think it's a more sophisticated doll in terms of the articulation. It definitely is compared to an LOL doll. It's a hard plastic with double joints in the knees, and an unusual an excellent hip joint. If you ever take a look at that and look at how their legs are attached to the hip, it has an extra joint in there to cover up the gap. Actually, maybe we can see it here because no other action figure has this. All right. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so it does. So, all right. So you have your thigh twist, right? Just like any Marvel or DC action figure. But you see this extra joint in here? So that allows the leg to move forward more without having that gap, because you're giving it that extra movement. So you have the ball joint sticking out further that attaches to the thigh, and then you would have a big gap here. So they put this piece of plastic here that sheathes it, that gives it more of a realistic contour to a human body. So I think this is out of thousands of action figures, this is the only company that does that. And the Rainbow and Shadow High are the only dolls from that company that do that as well. So just something to, a novelty thing to know about. All right, so there she's got, coordinated high heels that, well, they just blend right into the pants, which are kind of like digital pants, right? So that's pretty neat. And she's a singer, right? So it comes with a microphone and a stand. It's got little spikes on the end. So I guess if maybe the crowd gets out of hand, she can, keep back. All right, well, the other neat thing, I mean, she has a compact for makeup, of course, and it has a hinge and closes, and look, then it has like, a Shadow High symbol on it, kind of spooky. But the cell phone, and all the cell phones I've seen have something different on them. And let's see if this works. Put a magnifying glass to it. So, or I can just try zooming in. Let's see which works better. So we're going to zoom in on the cell phone there. And let's see how we do with resolution. All right, so there you go. She's talking to Rex McQueen, has his picture on there. Any updates? Already, let's do this. And then look, even a little keyboard. And then it's got emojis. Well, all I can say is OMG, LOL, because they're a sister product. Wow, right? I mean, just really cool. And then you have a little clip here to put onto her finger, and look on the back. You can see it's got the camera, the 4 dots for the camera, and this actually comes out of the case. I believe it's a Samsung because it's got the 3 buttons, but you can pop the phone out of the case. You actually had to put it in, so there, see that? And then it's a soft plastic case, just like a real cell phone case, and then you can find a finger, oh, a thumb. All right, so it clicks onto her thumb. Okay, so then she can look at that, and you know, she's got that perpetual smile. She's in a good mood, and I think that's important. You know, because you don't want to be in a bad mood, you know, when you're going to go meet up with Rex, right? So, all right, and then it even has, you know, your accessories for hanging your clothes up if you have some kind of wardrobe thing. Again, for $25. Okay, now this is on sale, $15.99 on Amazon, $17.50 at Target right now. But it's a lot of figure, a lot of doll. I mean, this luminescent hair. It comes with a comb, but there's a little bit of like a plastic that helps hold the hair together so it doesn't get all stringy all over the place. So you wouldn't want to comb through that, but maybe just the top part you could comb through. And a lot of times the brushes and combs are useless because of the hairstyles. You'd ruin them. So this is not quite as ruinous if you use it, but you might want to not pull it all the way through. So what I always marvel at is for $25, you get those accessories, you get the stand, you get the clothes, you get a doll with at least as much articulation as any, McFarlane or Marvel action figure, and you're paying $25 or less for it, and it's larger. I think it's, as a toy, as a figure, and really to me it's an action figure. You get a lot for the money, and actually I got all 4 of these on sale. They were all $15.99, and you can see they're all unusual, look like they come from outer space or something, you know. And if you look at my show 130, I covered those 3 there. But anyway, there is one more to get of this ilk. I'm not sure I'm going to get it, but I don't really like it as much as these. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you that. Really cool, isn't it? So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.